Is your old pad or phone gathering dust? This is our first generation iFramix. Has transformed 30,000 old pads. Now, iFramix Pro is here. It transforms your old pad and phone into a digital photo frame with smart ambient light strip, time display, weather display. Guess what? We've introduced AI. Pick your favorite characters and creations. AI will select a piece of text from your favorites to match the image style. Your photos now look more artistic. Today in History with AI. Tips to improve your life from 500 plus thinkers. Unmissable news. Also a productivity tool. Serve as a calendar. Serve as your focus companion. Stock dashboard. Become your PC's secondary screen. Your old devices are worth $500. So, what is iFramix Pro? The iFramix Pro consists of 4 parts. Easily and safely place your old device into the frame. Smart charging control prevents overcharging. All displays shown are powered by software plus AI. This is iFramix Pro, breathing new life into every old pad and phone.